Okay, so tutorial 2 is going to be based around what information we want to include in the pivot table and how we go about making a start for that. Okay, so we'll start in the maths section. First thing I think we're going to need is a total or an auto sum total of order created, invoiced and paid for each type. So if you look at the example of textbooks, which was bought on the 5th of the 7th, we need to do an auto sum in the send column. Basically, we do this to get a summary of all the committed money coming out of the section. So the easy way to do that is to click equals in the cell. You can hover with your mouse over order created, click it, and you'll see that this is starting to be populated with E8. Now you get a little hash line around the cell so you know what's being done. So if you click plus, you want to do invoiced, click plus, you want to do paid. Now the reason we do all three columns is as we go further down, the spreadsheet won't know which column's populated. So the easiest way to do it is to add all three up, because as I was explaining in tutorial 1, if column A is populated with a money value, columns B and C will be 0. Okay, so we total them three up. Once we're happy with what we've added together, you push enter on your keyboard, then we can see there. If you click on the cell, you can see the formula in the top. So E8 plus F8 plus G8. Now an easy way to do that for all of the cells is to highlight over the bottom right hand corner of the cell, and you can see it becomes a black crosshair. There you go, there's a white one. If you go over the top, it turns black. Double click this and it'll populate all the way down for you. Okay, and once we've started doing this, I think we need to create a pivot sheet. So you've got home page, chart, science, English, supplies, etc. But we need a page to hold our pivot table. So we click the plus sign, and you've got sheet 1 down there. Rename this to pivot. We push enter. And that's the end of tutorial 2, which is the beginnings of gathering our information for our pivot table.